Wait, don't scroll. I'm about to show you a math Olympiad problem that looks impossible at first glance. If you see my trick, then you will be able to solve this faster than any teacher. Most of the students mess this up. No calculator, just pure thinking. Are you ready? If you are ready, here we have a problem, and the problem is we have x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0, and the roots are a, b and c. We need to find the value of a squared plus b squared plus c squared. So let's start this problem. I will use different ways to solve this problem, so let's start this. The method one is Vieta's formula, and according to Vieta's formula, we have the form x cube minus a plus b plus c x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x minus ab is equal to 0. When we compare this thing with our given equation, so I'm going to get a plus b plus c will be equal to 6. Similarly, AB plus BC plus CA will be equal to 11, and value of ABC will be equal to 6. Now we know this identity which says we have A plus B plus C whole square will be equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. I can rearrange this identity. When I do that, I will get A square plus B square plus C square will be equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Now after that, I'm going to substitute the value of a plus b plus c and the value of ab plus bc plus ca. When I substitute, I will get a square plus b square plus c square will be equal to 6 square minus 2 multiplied by 11. We know that 6 square is 36, and when I multiply 2 with 11, I will get 22. When I do the subtraction, I will get 14. This means we have the value of a square plus b square plus c square, which will be equal to 14. We just solved this problem by using one method. Now let's start another method, which is a factorization method. We know that we have expression x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. I'm going to use the hit and try rule to find the one root, and by using the hit and try rule, I will try x is equal to 1. When I substitute this value into the given expression, I will get 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 is equal to 0. This means x minus 1 is a factor of our given equation. This means x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 will be equal to x minus 1 into x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now we can see that this is a quadratic equation that we have, which is x squared minus 5x plus 6, and we know the ways to find the roots of the quadratic equation. By using that ways, I'm going to get the roots of the quadratic equation, which will be x minus 2 and x minus 3. When I substitute this value here, I'm going to get the final form, which will be x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 3. This means we have three roots, and the value of these roots are a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. And now we are going to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. All I need to do is I just need to substitute the value. When I substitute the value, I will get 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. We know that 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. When we simplify this, we are going to get 14. This means we have the value of a square plus b square plus c square will be equal to 14. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this, please write that question in the comment. And if you have any other question that you want me to solve, please write that question in the comment. I will solve that question for you. Thank you.